One of the best hotels on the island is situated on the east coast of Mauritius, which is the One and Only. It has a small peninsula to itself where we'll have a look at the beach first. In the afternoon, it's probably a very good idea to have a look at the pool and the pool bar for a nice and cool sundowner. The hotel, of course, has several different restaurants, nearly all of them facing the sea, which is beautiful. However, I leave that up to you to explore, but therefore I show you a room of the category suite. And that was my sneak peek of the hotel. It is a short one. However, as I said before, it's now up to you to discover the place. I enjoyed my time here. We were here during February. The weather was good. Maybe there were 1 or 2 rainy days, but the hotel is good enough that you can still enjoy it at its best. So see you next time in the next hotel.